If your Honeywell thermostat isn't talking to your boiler and you're not getting any heat, don't worry, it's usually something simple. Before you spend money on a technician, let's go over a few quick checks you can do yourself that often fix the problem. Alright, let's get into it. Before you restart or reset anything, look for any flashing lights or codes on your boiler or thermostat. Those codes are your best clue. They tell you what the system's trying to say. Once you reset it, those codes usually disappear. So grab your phone, snap a quick photo, then look up that code in your Honeywell manual or online. It'll point you straight to the issue, whether it's a connection fault, ignition problem, or sensor error. Next up, make sure the boiler actually has power. Check your main switch, the circuit breaker, and if your boiler has a little 3-amp fuse on the control board, take a look at that too. If it's burnt or cracked, replace it with the same rating. A blown fuse or loose wire between the thermostat and the boiler is one of the most common reasons for no communication messages. Next, a dirty flame sensor is one of the #1 causes of communication failures with Honeywell thermostats. If your thermostat says heating, but the boiler never fires up, it could be that the flame sensor is dirty. When that happens, the boiler can't see the flame, so it shuts itself down for safety. Pull it out gently, give the metal rod a quick clean with fine sandpaper or a Scotch-Brite pad, pop it back in, and restart. If there's still no flame and you don't see that orange glow when the boiler tries to start, your igniter might need replacing. Sometimes the thermostat is sending the signal, but the boiler locks out because it detects no airflow or water flow. Check your air filters, make sure they're not clogged, and see if the circulator or blower motor spins freely. If it's stuck, noisy, or feels tight, that's probably why the system's not responding. Fixing that can often bring your heat right back. Another sneaky one, a blocked vent or intake pipe. If the boiler can't breathe, it won't run. Go outside and check the PVC pipes. You might be surprised what you find. Leaves, spider webs, even a wasp nest can block them up. Clear it out, restart the system, and see if communication comes back. If you're using a wireless Honeywell thermostat, make sure it's still paired and that the batteries are good. For wired thermostats, check if it's getting a steady 24 volts from the boiler board. No voltage means no connection, simple as that. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. See you in the next one.